Just to address some of the issues we have with our application of our toe kicks. So this is just a small replica of what you will get on your cabinet on site. So from here, when all is said and done and your cabinets are in and leveled, this is our toe kick clip, which we will get in a separate pack. This slots in here, just like that. Then, to me, in my experience, ideal height to trim the toe kick down, so whatever measurement from here to the floor works out at, to me your toe kick should be 3/16 less than that height. Then all of a sudden your toe kick will just slot in directly underneath like that, and then to take out is just that. In my experience, sometimes I find when we leave the back square, it can hit off the clip and in turn bend it down possibly and break it on application. So I found if we can angle the back off the toe kick, helps this scenario perfectly, just to push in. So the whole idea of that ideal 3/16 here is, if you need to take the toe kick off, that toe kick clip pushes up and your toe kick comes away. If for any reason that you trim your toe kick down too much and it's not catching on the clip, there's pre-drilled holes on this toe kick clip. This will move down to whatever height, and now all of a sudden your toe kick will catch that clip. And again, to take it off, ideally you want to leave that space on top so you can push the toe kick up and this folds away. If for whatever reason that you don't trim that ideal 3/16 off, and maybe the reason for the toe kick scraping the floor is that it's wedged too tight, trying to push this in, now it's been wedged under the clip and in turn then possibly scraping our floor. So ideally, again, as I say, that space should be 3/16. If we angle the back off, there shouldn't be any hassle pushing that in there. And we hope that's some help and cures the problems.